Imagine if a website could create a full video, write an essay, design a logo, or even clone your voice in seconds. Sounds impossible, right? But today I'm going to show you 7 AI websites that literally feel like magic. And the best part, most of them are completely free. The first website is Leonardo AI. This tool can generate insanely realistic images using artificial intelligence. You simply type a prompt like "futuristic city at sunset," and within seconds, the AI creates stunning artwork. Many YouTubers and designers are already using this to create thumbnails and graphics. The second website is ElevenLabs. This AI can generate ultra-realistic human voice from text. You just paste your script, and it turns it into a professional voiceover. In fact, the voice you're hearing in this video could easily be generated using this tool. The third website is Runway ML. This AI can generate videos from simple text prompts. For example, you can type "cinematic drone shot of mountains at sunrise," and the AI will generate a video clip. This technology is changing the entire video creation industry. Next is Remove.bg. This website removes the background from any image automatically. Just upload a picture, and within seconds, the background disappears perfectly. No Photoshop skills needed. The next website is DesignEvo. This tool allows you to create professional logos within minutes. You simply enter your brand name, choose a template, and customize colors, fonts, and icons. Even if you have zero design skills, you can create a clean logo very quickly using this website. Cleanup Pictures is another powerful AI tool. It allows you to remove unwanted objects from any photo. For example, you can erase people, wires, or background distractions with a single click. The final website is Clipdrop. This AI tool can upscale images, remove backgrounds, generate images, and even replace objects in photos. It feels like having Photoshop powered by artificial intelligence. And those were 7 AI websites that feel like magic. If you want more videos about powerful AI tools and secret websites, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments which website surprised you the most.